Today, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in Smartsheet. Milestones are essential markers in project management that help you track key deliverables and important checkpoints without adding duration to your timeline. Let's walk through how to set them up step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main workspace where all your sheets and files are stored. Next, you'll need to choose a file from your existing sheets, browse through your workspace, and locate the project sheet where you want to add milestones. Click on it to open. This could be any active project where you're tracking tasks and timelines. Once the sheet loads, it's important to make sure your view is set to Gantt. The Gantt view is what allows you to visualize your project timeline alongside your task list. Look to the right side of your screen and click on the settings icon. In these settings, you'll need to verify that dependencies are enabled. This feature is crucial because it allows you to link tasks and milestones together, creating a logical flow in your project timeline. Now, here's where creating milestones becomes incredibly simple. All you need to do is set the duration to 0. In Smartsheet, any task with a 0 duration automatically appears as a milestone marker, typically shown as a diamond shape on your Gantt chart. This visually distinguishes your milestones from regular tasks that have duration. To add more milestones throughout your project, find a vacant row where you want to place your next milestone. In both the start date and due date columns, enter the same date. This ensures the milestone occurs at a single point in time. Then set the duration to 0, just like before. Here's where the real power comes in. In the predecessors column, you can select which row you want to connect the milestone to. This creates a dependency relationship, meaning your milestone will automatically adjust if the preceding task changes. This keeps your project timeline dynamic and accurate. By following these steps, you've now successfully added milestones to your Smartsheet project, giving you clear visual markers for important deadlines and deliverables. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.